Assalamu alaikum. Welcome everyone to my new class. Today in this video, I am going to discuss about two-level inverter or square wave inverter design and implementation using MATLAB. You know that there are different types of inverter are available in market. Two-level inverter is one of the most superior in this case. This is very old-fashioned, and if we want to know about large-scale inverter and its modulation system, we have to start from basic. So you can see here a picture. This is a diagram for two-level inverter or square wave inverter. This is also known as push-pull inverter also. Here you can see that a positive V and a negative V. That means this voltage will oscillate from positive V level to negative V level, and it oscillate continuously. So let's simulate this program. So first of all, we need some IGBTs. We need a H bridge. That's why we need them four. Okay, here is four IGBTs. We also need a DC voltage source. Okay, here the DC voltage source value is 100 volt. We can also set the voltage level to 24 or 12 volt. In this case, I am set this voltage level to 12 volt. And we also need pulse generator. We know that IGBTs are working at pulse moment. When the pulse will be activated, it will flow the DC voltage and current through the load. That's why we need DC pulse, and I am taking the pulse generator here. We need pulse generator, and also we need a load resistance. Okay, this circuit diagram is very easy. I set the resistance value is 100 ohm. Pulse generator value period I am setting here for 0.02, and the activation pulse width percent will be 50. Phase delay from 1, and also I need a second pulse generator to activate it other two IGBTs. Now I am connecting all of them, and in this case I am connecting the voltage source also, that will be passed through the resistance. Now these two IGBTs will be connect rapidly together, and these IGBTs are connected together, and we also set here the value to 0.01 here, and this value will be set from 0. Okay, now I need voltage measurement to see the voltage level applied to the load resistor, and I need a scope function here. Okay, all of the system are ready. Now simulate this function. It will take some time and we'll get the actual result. Okay, now see that what will be find by us. Okay, here is our actual output that it oscillates from 0 to 12 volt. You can see here the voltage level is some large than 10 volt, so it will be the magnitude of 12 volt, and this is also the negative 12 volt. This is the diagram and circuit output of 12 of two level inverter. This is the first and basic level inverter. From here we can also generate 3 levels, 5 level, 7 level, 9 level, and also other inverter. This is the basic property here. So just remember the circuit diagram. If we change the voltage level here to 10 volt, then it will give us the oscillation voltage across 10 to minus 10 volt. Okay, here is our actual voltage output that the positive half cycle will be started from positive 10 volt and negative half cycle will be started from negative 10 volt after a particular time period, and the frequency will be 50 hertz. Okay, this is all about the video of two level inverter. The output will be same as shown in this picture. Thank you everyone to see this video.